It's about 6 o'clock at night, 6:30, between 6 and 6:30. What's making all this noise? I used to think it was birds, but I don't see any birds around here right now. I'm near my pond, but it's all over, so. Somebody said it might have been the cicada bugs, but I don't know. Anyway, anybody know what this is? I hope this is coming up. I'll be quiet now. Alright. Let me know what this is. I'm sure it'll be very common, like, oh, well, this is what it is, but I don't know. And yes, I know there's an airplane up there. So don't say, oh, it's an airplane, because I know it's an airplane. I can hear the airplane. But I don't know what this is. And more importantly, is it a food source in the future? Like cicadas? Okay, they're a food source for the dog. But I don't know, I thought maybe frogs or birds, but I don't know, I don't see any birds. Maybe frogs, I don't know, toads or something, I don't know. But the pond looks very still, so I don't know. Alright, please let me know, guys. This is NTP out.